So this is what you went with on your boat.
I reached out to him. He had a Facebook ad, True Grit Marine. What I was mainly looking for is his pride in his work, how he presented himself to me. I mean, whatever this stuff is made of, I have no idea, but it is high quality. It was very apparent to me right off the get-go that he's not gonna put anything in my boat that I wasn't gonna take. Holding up great. It has the color, the tint to it has not changed one bit since I brought it home. No fading one bit at all. In my business, everything I do, I'm a perfectionist. I didn't go in and explain to him the importance of that because I already knew that he was that way. The quality of the way he laid it all in that boat and the way the lines are straight all the way through from one, if I had an x-ray from the back of the center console to the front of the center console, those lines are perfectly parallel with each other. The way he went around every nook and cranny, it's like if you took a gap tool and went around every single thing in my boat, it's gonna be the exact same from side to side.